The numbers coming out of Japan are really disturbing because, over 200,000 crimes involving U.S. troops have been recorded on Japanese soil in just over 70 years. Now let's take a closer look at the circumstances surrounding Catherine Jane Fisher's case, because she reported that she was raped by a U.S. Navy sailor in 2002.
The rape against me by a United States military serviceman impacted my life terribly. So this is the scroll that I have been taking with me for the past 23 years. It's from the Okinawa Women Act Against Violence. Yumiko, she was 6 years old and she was kidnapped, raped, mutilated and thrown in the trash.
یک نفر از اینا آموزش این که دارن توی کشوری این که 2500 سال تاریخ داره و نمیدونم کالچرشون اینا اصلا صحبت نبود. شبا بدبختی تو خیابونای اصفهان زنها را از دست شوهراشون میکشیدن بیرون، دعوا میشد، مرتب این گرفتاری‌ها بود.